Hello, very quick one. Let's find the range of this data. Question 48, WASSCE 2024 May-June edition. So we have to find the range of the following set of numbers: 28, 29, 39, 38, 33, 37, 26, 20, 15, and 25. We have to find the range. How do you find range of a data? The range of a data is finding the highest number, the difference between the highest number and the least number in the data. So here, looking through, we can see that the highest number is going to be 39. Then the least among them is going to be 15. So our range is just the highest number minus the least number. And I'm sure we have 2, we have 4. So 24 is the range. So in finding the range, now you know, look out for the highest number, look out for the least number, find the difference between them. That gives you the range. I'm sure we are okay with that. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.